You can run from a calling, but you cannot hide from the Creator. When Jonah chose the deep over the mission, the sea itself rose up to meet him. In the belly of the beast, salvation becomes a prayer. Sometimes God uses the dark to bring us back to the light. The fish was a prison, but it was also a rescue. Nineveh, the cruelest city on earth, bows in the dust. God's mercy is wider than our prejudice. He cares for the lost more than we care for our own comfort. A king is coming, but not from a palace. Out of the humble dust of Bethlehem, a ruler will rise whose origins are from of old. The light of the world is small enough to hold. What does the Lord require? Not empty rituals, but a heart in motion. Act justly, love mercy, walk humbly. The path to God is paved with how we treat our neighbor. Nineveh's time has run out. The fortress that laughed at God now falls to the river. Justice delayed is not justice denied. Every empire of cruelty has an expiration date. I will stand at my watch and wait for his answer. In a world of chaos, the righteous live by their faith, not by what they see, but by what God has promised. Even if the fields are dry and the pens are empty, if everything fails, he will still rejoice. My joy is not in the harvest. My joy is in the harvester. The day of the Lord is near, a day of clouds and blackness where gold cannot buy peace. Everything built on pride will be consumed by the fire of his holiness. The judgment ends in a song. The Lord your God is in your midst. He is a Savior who sings. He quiets you with his love and rejoices over you with delight.